Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're filming a makeup video and I'm so excited. I feel like the last time we filmed a makeup related video was 2 weeks ago for my baby shower, and I loved how that video turned out. We've been more consistent on the vlog channel just because my pregnancy, you guys, the last month has not been easy at all whatsoever. I'll get into it throughout the video because I did go on Instagram and I asked you guys to ask me some questions so I can answer them in today's video. So I'm also going to be doing like a mini Q&A from IG. So this is my little hospital makeup bag that I'm going to be bringing with me, and I'm actually heading out to a doctor's appointment later this afternoon. So I figured I would use all the makeup that I'm going to be bringing to the hospital with me. That way I can show you guys, because I did show this on my Instagram and a lot of people were asking I'm out of breath. What am I going to bring with me? This is also a really great idea if you're traveling or if you just want a small makeup bag with essentials that you can just throw in there and grab and touch up throughout the day. This is like my go-to makeup bag. So I'll show you guys everything in a second. I did already go ahead and prep my skin. So this I'm going to bring in my purse, the one that I'm bringing to the hospital with me. So as you can tell, it's pretty small, but literally I have everything I need from makeup, hair, and as per skincare products, the only two things that I'm bringing is my travel size moisturizer and my face wash. That's all I need. And then for brushes, I won't be using it in today's video, but I am going to be throwing this in my hospital bag so you have like all your eye essentials. And then I'm bringing a beauty blender, which I'll show you guys in my makeup bag, and then this single brush right here. I'm going to apply this Tatcha, the Satin Skin Mist. I have been loving this so much, and I use it before and after my makeup just because I really like how it makes my skin feel. Oh, it's also so refreshing. I'm drinking my raspberry leaf tea because I am 38 weeks and 3 days, and the doctor said that I'm 2 centimeters dilated. So this baby girl could be here right now, any second, any day. I'm patiently just waiting. Jose got me an exercise ball, and I've been using it for the past 2 days. And let me tell you guys, my contractions have been, oh my God, they have been strong. And every day I'm thinking she's gonna be here, and she's like, nope, just kidding, I'm not here yet. I'm taking my sweet time. I'm literally just gonna start grabbing the products out of this bag, and that way you guys can see everything that I'm gonna bring with me. So the first thing that I'm gonna use is my primer. This is a Dior Universal Dior Backstage Face and Body Primer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this on my T-zone. So this makeup is basically for my photos that I'm going to be taking on my last day at the hospital. I do want to take some pictures with my husband and the baby before we head out. So I want to make sure I look put together, I look good. So these are just products that are going to help me get a really nice, simple look. I'm not doing anything crazy like that, but I still want to look put together. I'm not really worried about doing my makeup for the delivery. If you follow me on the vlog channel, we upload more consistently there because we've been documenting the entire pregnancy journey, which I'm so happy about. I can go back, look at it, look at how much my stomach has grown, my baby bump, like it is insane. Like it is so low right now, you guys, that I literally cannot walk for more than a minute because I am done. I'm gonna be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. Most importantly, I don't want it to transfer. I want it to look good in pictures. So this is like one of the best foundations if you're doing anything related to photography. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my face. And to apply that, I'm bringing a beauty blender with me, a brand new one, which I'm not gonna open today because it's going right back in the bag. As we're blending the foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and answer a few questions from Instagram. Let's see, which one should we answer first? Okay, this is a good one. Now that you've experienced pregnancy, was it what you were expecting? Honestly, I didn't know how it was gonna go, but I didn't think that I would be able to handle it. And honestly, I feel like it's been a lot easier than what I had envisioned in my mind. Like I really thought being pregnant was going to be this very difficult thing that I wouldn't be able to manage, and I feel like I did good, aside from like not being able to sleep some days and having contractions late in my 3rd trimester. overall, my pregnancy has been really good, and I'm so happy and grateful that, you know, I've been able to have this journey and experience it and go through it and not, you know, have a difficult pregnancy, because at the beginning I was very scared because I did have a high risk pregnancy due to my ulcerative colitis. I didn't have to take any medicine. I've only been taking my prenatal and it's been going very smooth. So for concealer, I did go ahead and buy one of my favorites in the travel size. I got the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard, one of my absolute must-haves. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this under my eyes. I'm just so happy to be doing my makeup because this is like my happy place. This is where, you know, I feel good. This is very therapeutic to me. I love doing my makeup and it's part of, you know, what I do. I love reviewing it. So I can't wait to get back into it and start reviewing makeup for you guys and doing some fun tutorials. For my eyeshadow, this is the only palette that I'm bringing with me in my makeup bag. This is a Dior Backstage eye palette, and this is so pretty. I wanted to do something neutral, something that was warm, and something that was gonna look fine with the robe that I'm bringing, because I'm bringing like a really pretty floral robe. So this is what I'm gonna be using on my eyes today. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my finger and apply this shade all over the lid, and this is gonna work as a primer. So I'm taking my Morphe E23 brush, and I'm taking this light orange shade, and I'm gonna pop this on my crease. I ended up changing to this Morphe JS5 brush, just because I want something that's gonna pick up the color a little bit better. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Right on top of that shade, I'm taking Sienna, and I'm just gonna blend this in. I'm gonna go in with Smoky Brown, which is this dark brown, and I'm gonna work this only on the outer parts of my crease, bringing this inwards to halfway through my lids. I'm gonna take my finger and just take this really pretty gold shade. It's called Bronze Highlighter, and I'm gonna pop this right on top. For my brows, of course, I bought my favorite brow pencil in a mini size. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. I didn't even know they had it in the travel size. So when I saw it on the Sephora website, I was like, I need this in my life. It doesn't have the spoolie, but I honestly don't mind. I don't feel like I need it, especially if I'm just filling in my brows lightly. And I did get it in shade number 6. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. So of course I cannot forget a setting powder. I did end up buying the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Mini Instant Retouch Powder. Love this so much. I ended up getting it in the shade Butter. I have tried Butter before and I like it, but I haven't tried it with my skin tone right now. So this is a good way to like test out this shade to see if it works for my skin. But oh my God, this packaging is so stinking cute. I feel like this shade is good. I need my tea. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply one coat to my upper and lower lashes. Depending on how I feel, maybe I'll pop on some falsies, but I feel like this mascara just gets the job done. If you don't need to put on falsies, trust me, you will be good with this mascara. But you know, I might be a little bit extra for my pictures and I might put on my baddie lashes. So we'll see, we'll see. I miss my falsies. We're gonna put some falsies on today. I'm over here trying to convince myself. Do you hear me? But look at this mascara. It's like a game changer. It's so freaking good. Like, it takes my lashes from like nothing to drama. I'm gonna go ahead and dust off my powder. I love how this packaging is just matching my vibe right now. I'm gonna go in with my baddie lashes. You guys know Sugar Baby is my all-time favorite style, and I'm just gonna pop these on. And I do have a coupon code for baddie lashes, so if you're interested in trying them out, you've been wondering if you should get it, you can use my code Diana and you'll get a discount off your order. Lashes are on. My food actually just got here, so I'm gonna go take a break and go eat because mama is hungry. I'm also gonna get another tea, so I will be right back in just a few minutes. We're back. I am feeling so full. I had ramen and I also had chicken wings and potato wedges, Diet Coke, and a lot of water. So I'm very happy. I'm very full right now. Okay, so we need to contour this face. So the only two face powders that I'm bringing with me are the Fenty Beauty Shady Biz bronzer. I got the mini size version and I'm just like, oh my god, this is so stinking cute. You guys know that I've been raving about this bronzer since it came out. Like, I have not stopped using it. My full size has a dent in the middle already. That's because I use it every single day. Like, anytime I'm doing my makeup, I use my Fenty bronzer. And then I'm also bringing this Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette because it has a lot of different highlighters, and it also has a darker bronzer so I can use it to, like, you know, warm up my skin. And I'm just lightly gonna start defining my face. I feel like I did gain a lot of weight throughout my pregnancy. Actually, that's one of the questions that I wanted to answer, that I got a lot on my Instagram, is how much weight did I gain throughout my pregnancy? And I honestly don't mind talking about it. I'm actually very open about it because I do think you should, you know, embrace your pregnancy body, embrace how you feel, how you look, embrace the changes. And for me, it was very difficult. Like, it's still very difficult, like, you know, getting used to it. But I've gained a total of 52 pounds throughout my pregnancy, which is a lot. Like, my body changed so much, and I feel like all of the weight went to my belly, it went to my butt, and then my face just got a lot swollen towards the end of my pregnancy. But aside from that, I feel like the rest of my body still kind of looks the same. So to be honest, I'm not really like worried about losing the weight once the baby is here. I am planning to be active and work out and have a healthier lifestyle, not just for me, but for my family in general. But I did gain a lot of weight, girl. I was like, oh my god. Every time I would go to the doctor's office, I would gain so much. And that's because, like, first trimester, I was eating a lot. Second trimester, I wasn't really eating like crazy, but I was eating more than usual. And then third trimester hit and I feel like I went stable. Like, I wasn't as hungry, I wasn't craving as much, and I wasn't eating big meals throughout the day. Let's go ahead and take the Dior Backstage palette. I'm gonna take the darker shade and just pretty much warm up the outer parts of my skin. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm taking this really pretty light brown shade and I'm just gonna pop this under my bottom lashes. I have to go back in and blow dry my hair. You guys, I have been using this Revlon hair dryer brush. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw it, but it is a game changer. Like, it is so good. It dries your hair in like 10 minutes, depending on how long your hair is. My hair is pretty short, but it's thick, but it dries it so fast. Like, as soon as I wash my hair, I'll go in and start blow drying it with the brush. And like, I'm just so shocked. Like, I'm so mad at myself for not discovering this earlier. I'm gonna go back in with the mascara, the same one that I used for my upper lashes. And I'm gonna pop these on my bottom lashes. These clips, so good, especially if you have frizzy hair. As you're drying your hair, you wanna place them down and it helps maintain the frizz because of the plastic. I'm telling you guys, I've been finding so many amazing things. So expect that video very soon. On my lips, I have a few options that I'm bringing in my makeup bag. I have, you know, a little bit of everything. I have two Kylie lipsticks. I have it in Candy K and Kylie, the two new shades that I'm loving at the moment. I have this LANCôME lipstick in Last Minute, Dior Lip Plumper. It's another neutral shade, very pretty by itself or with a lip liner. I'm going in with this Colourpop lip liner, and this is in the shade BFF3. To finish off the lips, I'm going in with the Dior Lip Plumper, and I'm just gonna pack this on top. Makeup looks good. I'm gonna go in and finish my hair. It's gonna take me a few minutes, so I will be right back for the finished look. My hair is completely done, nice, sleek, and straight, how I like it. I'm gonna leave the clip-ins for like a good 2 minutes just to make sure that my frizz is completely down for the rest of the day. I was eyeing these eye palettes by Huda Beauty, the new neon palettes, and I've used them before, love them, but I wanted to add a pop of pink to my eyes just because, like I said, I'm wearing a pink sweatsuit. So you know what, I started, but we're gonna finish it together. So I'm taking this one. This is the Neon Huda Beauty. I don't know the actual name of it, but it should be like the orange one because there's 3. There's the orange, the green, and the pink. I am definitely gonna do like a full video just on a really bright neon colorful look. But for today, I think we're just gonna add the pop of pink to the inner corners of the eyes. So I'm taking my pencil brush and I'm gonna take this bright neon pink. I'm gonna pop this right on the inner corners. So pretty. I feel like it definitely completed the look. So to set my face, I'm also bringing my Urban Decay Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is the full size here, but I also have the travel size, which I just remembered I have to pop in my bag. So this is the one that I'm gonna bring with me. Make sure I keep that out so I don't forget it. Give it a good shake. Shake it up, and then set my face. So I will link all the items that I will be bringing with me in my makeup bag in the description box below. I'm also bringing the little clips that I used on my hair today, so I'll link them in the description box below. I feel like I'm like, did I mention everything? One thing I didn't mention was the hand sanitizer, but everything else I used in the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited. Hopefully by the next time that I see you guys, baby will be here. I do have another video going up on Thursday, which is my monthly favorites. Haven't done them in a while, so I'm pretty excited about this one. I have a bunch of new hair products that I've been using to keep my hair nice, black, and glossy. And I've been getting a lot of questions about that, so stay tuned for that. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.